Hi, my name's Jane Antonovich, and we are back again with another feng shui design redo at Leah's place. So this is Leah's guest room. And as you can see from the before pictures, we have original equipment in here, original vanity and tile. And this room, again, just needed a fresh start, completely from the top down. So we used wallpaper to cure a little architectural issue in the bathroom, and I'd love to give you the tour. So first of all, this beautiful wallpaper, actually when you get up close to it, it looks like it's been folded. It looks like a Japanese piece of art, like an origami kind of paper that's been folded and unfolded, dipped in water, dipped in paint, and it is really stunning. So that's the huge upgrade. And here at the ceiling, there's a soffit that we discussed back and forth whether or not we should investigate what was inside of it and take it down. But in the end, decided to just go ahead and paper it. And as you can see, it just really like flows. It softens the corners there, and it makes this bathroom feel amazing. The other thing we really did in this bathroom was to coordinate the paint, the trim, and the paint color with the wallpaper so that there's a nice connection there, and that helps things feel like one beautiful thing. The vanity, again, I think I've mentioned this before, but the vanity with legs gives us that spacious feeling underneath. And this is a marble top with plenty of storage. And this vanity actually feels like a huge upgrade for this little room, as does taking down the plate glass mirror over the old vanity and replacing it with this very simple round mirror. Upgraded fixtures and bath hardware, new towels. We added this fun watercolor print to pick up the greens and to feel like as you're walking in the door, you're pulled to the back of this little tiny room with a lot of fun and a lot of color. So the tile in this room was also key. When you look at the floor, this is a very organic mosaic black slate, kind of a charcoal-y color that went down beautifully once that original tile floor was pulled up. And then inside the shower, well, the bathtub was replaced with a much deeper soaking tub, and then you can see we went very simple with the tile in the shower area, but the shape of it echoes the shape of the wallpaper. As you can see here, the little squares and diamonds feeling like a nice echo to what's happening in the wallpaper, a beautiful connection there. So check out your bathroom. Maybe there's something small you can do. Maybe you can take down that plate glass mirror and add a simple but beautiful mirror in its place. Or maybe you can use color to enhance your space, or go through the closets and the drawers and get the clutter out. That, number one, will make you feel a ton better. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you do to enhance your bathroom space, and I will talk to you soon.